Hello. Welcome to another wonderful, bombastic episode of Amped Up with your one and only anchor / all in all GKD music. Joined along with
all.
joined.
All in all.
You might
John-
as well.
Too much credit, man.
Can I finish my intro, please?
Yeah, do
I
that,
gave
please,
both
do
of
that.
you guys
Now
a
you
chance.
hype yourself up.
I gave
Now
both
we're
of
gonna
you
hype us-
guys.
us
I gave
both,
both
yeah?
of you guys a chance to do an introduction, and both of you guys yapped and stammered, and one even glitched
Guys,
out.
I feel I
He
can
still
do a
hasn't
better
come back.
job.
He
I
still hasn't
stumbled.
come back.
No,
So when
I
I'm
feel I
doing
can
it,
do a better job.
when
at
I'm doing it, I respect
Maybe.
silence. Thank you. As I was saying, your one and only beloved, your one and only shining star, GKD Music, along with your Julbai and Dundumon, or in other words, Dwayne David.
Yes.
How are you guys feeling today?
Feeling absolutely wonderful.
That sounded a bit off, but okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're doing
All right.
great. I
And
think for the
exhausted
most
as
part,
well.
for the
Exhausted
most
as well.
part, we are doing great.
Yeah.
Okay,
Almost.
yeah.
How are you doing personally, buddy? How are you doing personally? College has
We're
gotten
going personal right now.
college has gotten over. How are you feeling right now? Do you feel a sense of accomplishment?
Not really. I'm
Not
feeling-
really.
That sounds kind of
feeling
disappointing.
empty
That
right
sounds
That
really kind of
sounds
disappointing,
so
buddy.
depressing, bro. Depressing as
so
well
the
as
results
disappointing.
are-
So are you saying I should stop my college midway and just leave because I also won't feel accomplishment after that?
See, I don't want to give advices right now.
I
But
guess.
personally speaking,
Yeah.
college is absolutely it's not gonna get you anywhere right now. I would go as far to say.
I'm gonna call RIT officials right now, man. I don't think
I
I
would
should
say,
be.
see, it's a path, but
So are you telling
So I
all
felt
of no.
a degree,
Hear me out.
a degree alone, it's not gonna get you anywhere.
So are you telling all our audience to quit their colleges right now and leave?
That's not what I said. That's not what I said.
Then
But
what
what
are
I
you
will
saying?
say is
Yes.
the job market right now,
Yes.
with a degree alone, you're not getting anywhere.
Agreed,
You
agreed.
need couple of
You need something else.
skills. Yeah.
You want me to tell you what
Exactly.
you want me to tell
And
you
luck
what
is
that is?
one of them.
No. You want me to tell you
Luck.
what?
Luck is
No,
one
no.
of them.
You want me to tell you what the real important thing is? You need productivity. Can I get a round of applause? I just introduced the topic productivity in such a clean way.
Not bad, not bad.
I expected a round of applause.
കുറച്ച് credit കൊടുക്കാം.
നല്ല ക്ലീൻ ആയിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ട്രാൻസിഷൻ ചെയ്തത്. സോ ഗൈസ്, നമ്മുടെ ഈ എപ്പിസോഡിലെ ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് പ്രൊഡക്ടിവിറ്റി. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇച്ചൂടെ കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ പറയുന്നത് റൈസ് ആൻഡ് ഗ്രൈൻഡ് വേഴ്സസ് ലേറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഗ്രേറ്റ്. ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് പറയേണ്ടതെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. സത്യത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ പണി ചെയ്യുന്നവരും പണി ചെയ്യാത്തവരും. അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ എപ്പിസോഡിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ളത്.
അതെന്ത് രണ്ടുപേരും
That's two different topics that is
My bad. Productivity. So productivity.
So basically talking early bird versus night owl.
നൈറ്റ് ഔട്ട്. യെസ്. രാവിലെ എണ്ണിച്ച് കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നവരും വൈകിട്ട് എണ്ണിച്ച് കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നതും
വൈകിട്ട്
കഷ്ടപ്പെടാത്ത
അല്ലല്ല
ആൾക്കാരും.
വൈകിട്ട് എണ്ണിച്ചല്ല വൈകിട്ട് ഉറങ്ങാതെ
വൈകിട്ട്
കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നു.
ഉറങ്ങാതെ
ഉറങ്ങാതെ
കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ. Okay, so let's start off here. Beloved brother in Christ, are you an early bird or a night owl?
I would say night owl.
Night owl.
Obviously
Okay.
night owl.
Okay. All right. Now we come back to Julbai. What are you? What do you classify yourself as?
I think I'm a bit of both. Depends on what
The mood.
Yeah, the mood.
So basically,
and also the work
he
that I
sleeps
have.
in the morning and he sleeps in the evening. Is that what you're trying to say?
Sometimes I do
So
wake up early.
Okay.
Sometimes I
So
sleep
basically he
late.
doesn't do any work.
Basically, ഒരു ജോലിയും ചെയ്തില്ല. ഒരു ജോലിയും
Sleeps in
ചെയ്തില്ല.
the morning.
ചുമ്മാ അല്ല ജോലി ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
Sleeps in the morning, sleeps in the afternoon, sleeps in
Sleeps
the
in the
evening.
night. Yeah, exactly.
No, on a serious note ഇത്.
Yeah.
ജോലി അല്ല എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എനിക്ക് ഉള്ള വർക്കിനനുസരിച്ച് ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ ഉറങ്ങും അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഉറങ്ങാതിരിക്കും. സിമ്പിൾ അല്ല കാര്യം.
A valid point ആണ്. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് we all fall into that category because I don't feel most of us, unlike ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മുടെ യൂട്യൂബ്
I don't think if I fall into exactly one specific category.
Yeah, we have to be honest here. Yeah, when we go to YouTube and all, you know, all these celebrities will be like, ഞാൻ രാവിലെ രാവിലെ 4 മണിക്ക് എണീക്കും. I go to the window, open the curtain, ഇങ്ങനെ അങ്ങ് നിൽക്കും. രാവിലെ
I have a ice bath.
കണ്ണുപോലും തുറക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. പിന്നെ I have a full blown ice bath at 4 in the morning.
Yeah, I'm not calling out anybody right now.
No,
but
never. We're not calling
All
out
these
anyone.
influencers.
We're not calling out absolutely nobody. Okay, what do you feel is ideal? Ravale, like, is it better to be a morning owl? Or sorry, is it better to be a morning person or a night owl?
Morning bird or a night owl. I feel for me personally, night owl is the one that I prefer.
Yeah, why would you prefer that though?
Because ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഒരു വർക്ക് ഫ്ലോയിൽ ഇരുന്ന അത് തീരാതെ ഞാൻ എണ്ണീക്കത്തില്ല. സോ മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ടൈം
Yeah.
I would prefer is like night after having my dinner. And I will just sit. ഞാൻ അത് തീരുന്ന വരെ
പക്ഷെ വയറൊക്കെ നിറഞ്ഞ് പതുക്കെ ഇരിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഒരു സുഖം.
But I don't I feel like I feel like no one else can do it like better because better
than you.
I don't think it's an accomplishment to be
accomplishment എന്നല്ല. See, better എന്നല്ല ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചേ. എല്ലാവർക്കും അത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. I feel that way because കഴിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചിലവർക്ക് ഉറങ്ങാൻ തോന്നും.
Yeah,
Some people.
correct, yeah.
So എനിക്ക് പേഴ്സണലി ഇറ്റ് വർക്ക്സ് ഔട്ട്. Sometimes, most of the times.
Okay. I guess I think that differs from person to person. Okay, so give me like a rough ideal schedule of you. Okay, give me a typical evening because you're an evening person.
Evening person, see, after having my
start
dinner,
from 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Dota. Start.
8 p.m. I would say. I'll start from 7.
രാവിലെ എണീക്ക് 8 മണിക്കാണ്
No.
എണീക്കുന്നത്.
7 I will start. 7 I would pray.
Okay.
I would have my
He's a man of
family
God.
prayer.
He's a man of God.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's good.
Alright,
That's good.
And then I will have my dinner with my family, and
Yeah.
that would
And that would be at that, what
that
time?
would
What
be
time is that? What time is that, guys?
10:30. Okay, so in
10:30?
between it would be like leisure time with my family, like talk.
Okay, alright,
spending time with my
perfect,
family
okay.
and all this stuff. And then having dinner. After that, probably by 11:30, I'll sit down for my
Start your day.
studies or like not start your day.
Because the rest of the day is sleeping. He's basically getting up at 7 in the evening. So yeah, I would expect that.
I basically എന്ത് ഇരിക്കും
ആ.
പഠിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ
ഒറ്റയിരുത്തുക.
ഒറ്റയിരുത്ത്.
അത്
Till 4.
ചെയ്തിരുന്ന
4 is the
വരെ.
maximum that I would do.
Sleep at 4.
I mean, I feel like that's something that, yeah, that's like a general thing. I feel a lot of people do.
So do you get, what do you say? Do you get 5 to 6 hours on a daily basis? Sleep. I'm talking about sleep.
That depends on how I wake up. Like then the things I do in the
So
next
if you
morning.
sleep at 4, if you sleep at 4, when do you wake up the next?
The next വൈകിട്ട് 7 മണിക്ക്. വൈകിട്ട് 7 മണിക്ക് എണീക്കുക. അതായിരിക്കും. Let's be honest here, buddy. Let's be honest here,
Most
buddy.
probably 9:30, 10:30.
Oh my
maximum
God, he's
പോയാ.
capping. He's capping.
അല്ല,
He's
9:30,
capping.
10:30
12,
maximum
12:30.
പോയാ. No,
12,
9:30,
12:30.
10:30 maximum
12:30.
പോയാ.
Yeah.
അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 8.
Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm gonna turn back from
ഇവൻ തലേ ദിവസം എന്നെ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 9:30 പറ്റത്തില്ല. ഞാനൊരു 12:30
12:30 ആണെങ്കിൽ perfect. എന്നെ രാവിലെ
No,
പല്ല്
I
തേച്ച്
have to wake up. I have to brush my teeth, have food, and then do whatever you're calling.
Okay.
for.
I think that's a normal routine for all
all of us, I would say. Okay, but
So it would take 1 hour, no?
No, ഇപ്പം നമുക്കൊരു നൈറ്റ് പെർസ്പെക്റ്റീവ്, ഒരു നൈറ്റ് ഐഡിയൽ നൈറ്റ് റൂട്ടീൻ കിട്ടി. ബീങ് എ മോർണിംഗ് പേഴ്സൺ, ഞാൻ റഫായിട്ട് പറയാം, ഞാൻ
So
സത്യസത്യമായിട്ട്
he's a guy
പറയാം.
who wakes up at 4
No,
and goes for a walk.
No, not
He
every
wakes up when you sleep.
Yeah,
Not
he wakes
so
up when I
basically when
sleep.
he goes to sleep is when I get up. I would say 4:30 to 5 is the optimal time I usually get up. Before and all I used to go for walks along with my parents, but nowadays it's a bit less because of vacation. So ഇപ്പം പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ they go for a walk, I would join them, come back home, we all have breakfast around at 6. And then that's the time I'm getting more productive. I would rather do something like activity,
that's a
physical
really good
activity, same, and then I'm productive from 8. And then but the thing about early morning is that ഒരു ഉച്ചയാകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും you just burn out. ഒരു 2 മണി ആകുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും the morning hits you. അത്ര രാവിലെ എണ്ണിക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് it hits you really hard. You need a power nap in the afternoon or else you're exhausted.
Do you have that every day though?
No, I really don't. So that kind of burns me out. So I feel like end of the day രാവിലെ എണ്ണിച്ചാലും വൈകിട്ട് ലേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഇരുന്നാലും it really doesn't matter
As long as you are making the most
as you're making progress. I feel like, yeah, because അങ്ങനെ നോക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ someone who sits all night would be more productive than someone who gets up in the morning.
Yes.
And some people രാവിലെ എണീക്കായിരിക്കും അതിനേക്കാൾ productive. Yes.
Yeah.
അപ്പോൾ then why does it even matter?
എപ്പോ എണ്ണിച്ചാലും
What do you think is healthier for us?
Scientific പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ healthier
Like
is morning.
I feel
Early
morning is more
is
healthier.
healthier at
Absolutely.
perspective. But
because
scientific
nights are
നോക്കി-
supposed to be for sleeping.
Yeah, for sleeping, not for binge watching reels till 3 in the morning and then getting
See, there are times when I see
natural
this
rush.
sleep.
My guy here watches David Goggins at 2 a.m. in the morning. He gets a rush. Tomorrow onwards, I'm going to lose all this fat. I'm going to look like Hrithik Roshan. He pulls 4 alarms: 6-1, 6-3, 6-6, 6-7. He puts
That's true
5
though.
alarms.
That's true though.
And then
I keep
alarm
alarms like that.
background ഇങ്ങനെ ringtone പോലെ അടിക്കാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ കേട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ഉറങ്ങും.
I would sleep to that
He'll
ringtone.
sleep with that. So let's
But
not do
പക്ഷേ
that.
ഈ ഒരു സംഭവം it never works for me. Whenever I have more than 4 alarms set up, I never wake up.
You never wake up. At the same time, you put 1 alarm.
Yeah, I wake up at
You wake
that
up exactly.
No,
Four.
no, no,
exact
No,
alarm.
because
That
when you
doesn't
put
work out for me.
no, when you
ഞാൻ
put 4
ഉറങ്ങിപ്പോ.
Because the thing is,
I
see,
know that for a
ആദ്യത്തെ അലാം അടിക്കുമ്പോൾ you know that there is 3 more alarms on the way,
exactly,
yeah?
and also you're doubting yourself. When you put 4 alarms, you only 4 alarm വെക്കുമ്പോൾ you know the fact you're only gonna get it for the 4th
Yeah.
one. So you're
Bro,
doubting
mornings,
yourself.
and
you end
mornings,
up-
all the mornings we doubt ourselves, yeah. So it's better that you take the extra.
Because that's actually true though. Like ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു രാത്രിയിൽ you are so motivated for the next day.
But രാവിലെ
But you
എണീക്കുമ്പോൾ
wake up-
വേണ്ട.
I don't know what goes
അയ്യോ,
on.
ഒരു full ദിവസം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, ഞാനിത് എന്തോ ചെയ്യും.
No, if you have work to do.
ഭയങ്കര ഒരു
obviously-
വ്യത്യാസം.
Okay, എന്തായാലും so coming to a conclusion, I would say as long as you get your work done എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ചെയ്യേണ്ട പണി ഇപ്പം 1 മണിക്കൂർ ആവട്ടെ 10 മിനിറ്റ് ആവട്ടെ, if you concentrate in that 10 minutes and get your work done, it
If you put
really
in the
doesn't
hard
matter.
work.
If you put in the hard work,
If you
yeah.
put in your heart. towards your work.
Oh
That
my
It's
works
gonna
well.
work out.
Now
നീ
that
ഇപ്പം 1 മണിക്കൂർ ഇരുന്നോ ആ 1 മണിക്കൂർ if you
You have
put
to
in your
Focus
work
ചെയ്ത്
hard,
ചെയ്താൽ
that 1 hour.
focus ചെയ്ത് ചെയ്താൽ
focus ചെയ്ത് without any distractions.
Yeah.
Keep your phone away, keep internet away, and do your work. Be focused.
Because at this time you really have to be the best. If you want to get best in studies, I'm not gonna say that because I wasn't the best. Studies.
I was also not the
really
best.
wasn't. I'm not gonna lie here. I was just a
I
mediocre
was
student.
the best.
He's the
He
purpose in the
was
group.
the best.
He was
He
the
was the
expert in
ideal
the group.
person.
Expert in the group.
എത്രയായിരുന്നു?
I would say-
99, 98?
ഇല്ല 10th class വരെ.
Yeah.
I think that's topic for another day.
Yeah, obviously we will get into that.
We'll get into little more detail.
Yes.
So, like the iPad says here, whether
You had
rise,
one job, bro. Come on.
whether you rise with the sun or vibe with the stars, make every hour count. സത്യത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ പണിയേണ്ട സമയത്ത് പണി ചെയ്താൽ യു ഗോണ ബി സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ആസ് സിമ്പിൾ
അങ്ങനല്ല, നിങ്ങൾ രാവിലെ എണീക്കാ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ രാത്രി എണീറ്റോ. You put in the work.
രാത്രി എണ്ണിച്ചോ എണ്ണിക്കണം, പക്ഷേ എണ്ണിക്കണം, അത് മറക്കില്ല.
You do the hard work. You put in the work. Do with your heart. You're gonna
It's gonna
succeed.
work
You're
out.
gonna see.
അതിപ്പം
That's
ഇന്ന് വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യില്ലെങ്കിൽ നാളെ
നാളെ
വർക്കൗട്ട്
workout ആവും.
നാളെ
Keep
വർക്കൗട്ട്
on
ആയെങ്കിൽ
ഇയാളെ പോലെ നാളെ ഞാൻ തുടങ്ങും എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്
Never do that. Never
Don't do
workout
that. Don't do that.
ഇല്ല.
Procrastinate.
Today
But
should be day one. Today should be day one.
Yes, exactly.
Not tomorrow. Today should be day one.
Now is the time.
Now I'm amped up, bro. Now I'm amped up. Let's go to the outro. Let's go to the outro. I'm amped up like crazy. So guys, I'm gonna end up with a good note. If you work hard, if you have the drive, you're gonna be successful.
Yes.
Was that good enough?
Yeah.
I got something.
You
If you
got
work
something
hard, you gotta get somewhere. If you don't, you gotta get nowhere. That was good.
That's
That was
crazy.
good.
I'm gonna walk out.
I feel that was good. I feel that was
That's a good quote. Please guys, note it down. 2025. Can we go with the quote again? One more time. മറന്നു.
ഒരു
Quote മറന്നു.
അതിന്റെ ആ ഒരു സംഭവം
വേറെ ആരെങ്കിലും
ഇല്ലേ?
കോപ്പറേറ്റ് എടുത്തോ. Anyway guys, it's been amped with Georgie.
Dwayne.
Jewel.
See you guys.
Bye bye.